Laravel provides a powerful and flexible database query builder which allows for easy and expressive database operations. Here are 60 ways to query the database in Laravel, including header examples and short descriptions for each. 1. Retrieve all records $users equals db table users greater than get fetches all records from the users table. 2. Selecting specific columns $users equals db table users greater than select name email greater than get fetches only the name and email columns from the users table. 3. Distinct records $users equals db table users greater than distinct greater than get fetches distinct records eliminating duplicates. 4. Where clause $users equals db table users greater than where votes greater than 100 greater than get fetches records where the votes column is greater than 100. 5. Where between $users equals db table users greater than where between votes 100 greater than get fetches records where the votes column is between 1 and 100. 6. Where in $users equals db table users greater than where in id 1 2 3 greater than get fetches records where the id is either 1 2 or 3. 7. Where null $users equals db table users greater than where null updated _at greater than get fetches records where the updated _at column is null. 8. Order by $users equals db table users greater than order by name desk greater than get fetches records ordered by the name column in descending order. 9. Group by $users equals db table users greater than group by account _id greater than get groups records by the account _id column. 10. Having clause $users equals db table users greater than having votes greater than 100 greater than get fetches records having more than 100 votes after grouping. 11. Join clause $users equals db table users greater than join contacts users.id equals contacts user _id greater than get fetches all users with their contacts. 12. Left join clause $users equals db table users greater than left join posts users.id equals posts user _id greater than get performs a left join between users and posts tables. 13. Right join clause $users equals db table users greater than right join posts users.id equals posts user _id greater than get performs a right join between users and posts tables. 14. Cross join clause $users equals db table users greater than cross join colors greater than get produces a Cartesian product between users and colors tables. 15. Advanced where clauses $users equals db table users greater than where votes greater than 100 greater than or where name John greater than get uses advanced conditions in where clauses. 16. Aggregate functions $users equals db. Table, users. Greater than count. Counts the number of records in the users table. 17. Sum function $total votes equals db. Table, users. Greater than sum votes. Calculates the total of votes across all users. 18. Average function $average votes equals db. Table, users. Greater than avg votes. Calculates the average of votes across all users. 19. Incrementing a value $num affected rows equals db. Table, users. Greater than increment votes. Increments the votes column by 1 for all users. 20. Decrementing a value $num affected rows equals db. Table, users. Greater than decrement votes. Decrements the votes column by 1 for all users. 21. Random order $users equals db. Table, users. Greater than in random order, greater than get. Fetches users in a random order. 22. Skip and take $users equals db. Table, users. Greater than skip 10. Greater than take 5. Greater than get. Skips the first 10 records and takes the next 5. First record $user equals db. Table, users. Greater than first. Fetches the first user record. 24. Exists $exists equals db. Table, users. Greater than where. Email. Example at example.com. Greater than exists. Checks if a record exists that meets the condition. 25. Select raw expressions $users equals db. Table, users. Greater than select raw count asterisk as user underscore count status. Greater than group by status. Greater than get. Selects raw expressions with a group by clause. 26. Where raw $users equals db. Table, users. Greater than where raw, age greater than, and votes equals 100, 25. Greater than get. Applies a raw SQL condition in the where clause. 27. Join raw $users equals db. Table, users. Greater than join, contacts, users.id, equals, contacts, user underscore id. Greater than select raw, users, asterisk, count, contacts.id, as contact underscore count, greater than group by, users.id, greater than get, joins with another table and selects using a raw expression. 28. Where date $users equals db. Table, users. Greater than where date, created underscore at 2020/01/01. Greater than get. Fetches records where the created underscore at date matches a specific date. 29. Where month $users equals db. Table, users. Greater than where month, created underscore at 1. Greater than get. Fetches records where the created underscore at month is January. 30. Where day $users equals db. Table, users. Greater than where day, created underscore at 1. Greater than get. Fetches records where the created underscore at day is the first of the month. 31. Where year $users equals db. Table, users. Greater than where year, created underscore at 2020. Greater than get. Fetches records where the created underscore at year is 2020. 32. Where time $users equals db table users greater than where time created underscore at equals 14 hours 0 minutes and 0 seconds greater than get. Fetches records where the created underscore at time is 14 hours 0 minutes and 0 seconds. 33. When condition $sort equals true, $users equals db table users greater than when $sort function $query return $query greater than order by name greater than get. Applies a conditional sort based on the value of $sort. 34. Where exists $users equals db table users greater than where exists function $query greater than select db raw 1 greater than from orders greater than where raw orders user underscore id equals users.id greater than get. Fetches users who have at least one order. 35. Chunking results db table users greater than order by id greater than chunk 100 function $users fork $users as $user. Process each user processes large results in chunks of 100 records. 36. Inserting records db table users greater than insert email equals greater than John at example.com votes equals greater than 0. Inserts a new record into the users table. 37. Updating records db table users greater than where id 1 greater than update votes equals greater than 1 updates the votes column of the user with id 1. 38. Deleting records db table users greater than where votes delete deletes records where votes are less than 100. 39. Soft deletes $users equals user where deleted underscore at null greater than get. Fetches only non-soft deleted records. 40. Restoring soft deleted records user with trashed greater than where id 1 greater than restore restores a soft deleted record. 41. Forcing a select query $users equals db table users greater than select name as user underscore name greater than get. Forces a select query with a specific column alias. 42. Using multiple where clauses $users equals db table users greater than where votes greater than 100 greater than where status equals active greater than get. Combines multiple where clauses in a query. 43. Using where like $users equals db table users greater than where name like t% greater than get. Finds users whose names start with t. 44. Using limit and offset $users equals db table users greater than offset 10 greater than limit 5 greater than get. Skips the first 10 records and limits the results to 5. Please remember to like and subscribe.